Hey there, little explorers. Did you know the ground we walk on isn't just one big piece? It's like a giant puzzle made of big rocky pieces called plates. Sometimes they wiggle and bump, and that's what makes earthquakes.
Wow, Benny. So it's like when we jump on the bed and it shakes? But why do the plates move? Oh, I know. It's because they float on melted rock underneath, like cookies on warm pudding.
That's right, Lulu. And when those plates move too much, the ground shakes. Remember, earthquakes are just Earth's way of saying, "Oops, I moved." If you liked learning with us, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more fun facts. Bye, friends.